Have you ever seen a sleeping giant awaken? It's a rare and awe-inspiring moment, one that signals a new era is about to begin. Imagine the world holding its breath as something massive stirs, stretching after a long slumber, ready to reshape everything in its path. That's exactly what's happening right now in the heart of the financial world. We're witnessing a seismic shift in technology and wealth creation, a transformation so profound that it's rewriting the rules of the game. The energy on Wall Street is electric as investors scramble to understand and capitalize on this new wave. The old guard is being challenged and a new champion is emerging, one that's not just participating in the revolution, but leading it. There's one company at the center of it all. It isn't just riding the AI wave, it's building the very foundation of it. Through relentless innovation, it's forging global partnerships, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and developing technology that, just a few years ago, would have seemed like pure science fiction. Its influence stretches from Silicon Valley to the farthest corners of the globe, touching industries from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to manufacturing. What we're seeing isn't just a fleeting rally or a speculative bubble. This is a fundamental repricing, a recognition that this company sits at the crossroads of every major tech trend shaping our future. Its products and innovations are now essential, not optional, for anyone hoping to compete in the digital age. From powering the world's most advanced data centers, to fueling the next generation of artificial intelligence models, this company's silicon is the digital world's lifeblood. Every time you stream a movie, use a smart device, or interact with AI, chances are its technology is working behind the scenes, making it all possible. Decades of relentless innovation, strategic vision, and calculated risk-taking have led to this explosive growth. The company's leadership has navigated fierce competition, economic downturns, and technological upheavals, always staying one step ahead. Now, Wall Street is finally taking notice, and the world is watching as its value soars to unprecedented heights. In this video, we're diving deep into why this market leader is leaving competitors in the dust. We'll dissect the catalysts behind its meteoric rise, from breakthrough products to strategic partnerships, and explore how it's managed to capture the imagination and the wallets of investors everywhere. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one all the way till the end. Hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. This video is sponsored by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. The company igniting Wall Street? Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. Once the underdog, AMD is now a technological powerhouse under CEO Dr. Lisa Su. AMD's high-performance chips power everything from supercomputers and gaming consoles to the cloud and AI applications. Their multi-year strategy, superior product design, manufacturing, and ecosystem building has made AMD indispensable. The stock's recent surge? A reflection of years of execution and innovation. In just 5 days, AMD jumped 9.5%. Year-to-date, it's up 14.6%, crushing the S&P 500. The market is finally recognizing AMD's strength and momentum. Every product launch and customer win proves AMD is a force to be reckoned with. The company is firing on all cylinders, from client computing to data centers. This is holistic growth, and one of the most compelling stories on Wall Street. When top Wall Street analysts get bullish, it's time to pay attention. These are the people who spend their days dissecting financial statements, meeting with company executives, and running complex models to forecast the future. Their opinions can move markets, and when they start pounding the table, it's usually for a reason. Right now, the spotlight is on AMD, and the message from the street is loud and clear. This stock is entering a new era. Melius Research just upgraded AMD to buy with a $175 target, citing a surge in AI inferencing demand. This isn't just a minor tweak to their outlook, it's a bold call that reflects a fundamental shift in how AMD is being perceived. The analysts at Melius are pointing to a wave of new opportunities as artificial intelligence becomes more deeply embedded in everything from cloud computing to edge devices. They believe AMD's technology is uniquely positioned to capture a significant share of this rapidly expanding market. CFRA research followed, calling AMD a strong buy and predicting it will close the gap with NVIDIA by 2026, thanks to the upcoming MI400X chip. This is a big deal. NVIDIA has long been the dominant force in AI hardware, but CFRA's analysts see AMD's innovation pipeline as a real threat to that dominance. The MI400X in particular is generating buzz for its potential to deliver breakthrough performance and efficiency, making it a serious contender in the next generation of AI accelerators. These aren't just guesses, they're based on product roadmaps and performance benchmarks. Analysts have pored over technical documents, spoken with engineers, and analyzed early test results. The data is compelling. AMD's upcoming chips are showing real promise in both raw speed and energy efficiency, two factors that are critical for AI workloads. This level of due diligence gives their bullish calls real credibility. The narrative is flipped. AMD is now seen as a critical enabler of the AI boom. Just a few years ago, AMD was often viewed as a distant second to its larger rivals. But today, the company is at the center of conversations about the future of computing. Its chips are powering everything from massive data centers to cutting-edge research labs, and its influence is only growing as AI adoption accelerates across industries. Major customers want more than one supplier, and AMD is proving it can be that essential second source. In a world where supply chain resilience is more important than ever, having a strong alternative to the market leader is a huge advantage. AMD's ability to deliver high-performance chips at scale is winning over big names in tech, cloud, and enterprise computing. This diversification of supply is a key reason why analysts are so optimistic. The stock is being re-rated as a secular growth story at the heart of the AI revolution. Investors are no longer just betting on cyclical upswings, they're seeing AMD as a company with long-term structural tailwinds. The shift in perception is driving new money into the stock, and the momentum is building as more institutions take notice. Analyst upgrades validate Lisa Su's vision and point to significant earnings growth ahead. Under her leadership, AMD has executed flawlessly, delivering on ambitious product roadmaps and consistently beating expectations. The street's confidence in her strategy is a major endorsement, and it suggests that the best may still be yet to come for AMD shareholders. The consensus is clear: AMD is a winner with room to run. Analysts across the board are raising their price targets, citing not just near-term catalysts but also a multi-year runway for growth. The company's expanding footprint in AI, data centers, and high-performance computing is creating a virtuous cycle of innovation and market share gains. This is the kind of institutional backing that propels stocks to new heights. When the smartest minds on Wall Street align behind a company, it sends a powerful signal to the rest of the market. For AMD, the table pounding from analysts is more than just noise. It's a sign that the company is on the verge of something big, and investors are taking notice. In the fast-paced world of technology, no company can truly thrive in isolation. The most successful players understand that collaboration is the key to unlocking exponential growth and innovation. AMD has taken this philosophy to heart, elevating its partnerships to a level that sets it apart from the competition. Their approach isn't just about signing deals, it's about building a foundation for the future, where every alliance is a strategic move in a much larger game. Take their collaboration with HCL Tech in India, for example. This isn't your typical vendor-client relationship. Instead, AMD and HCL Tech are co-innovating, working side by side to develop cutting-edge AI, digital, and cloud solutions. By embedding AMD's technology deep within enterprise systems, they're not just selling products, they're shaping the very infrastructure that powers modern business. This kind of partnership ensures AMD is woven into the fabric of the global enterprise ecosystem, making it indispensable to its partners. And when you look at AMD's customer roster, it reads like a who's who of the tech world. OpenAI, Microsoft, Oracle, these are not just customers but industry giants who are betting their most critical, future-defining projects on AMD's technology. Their trust is a testament to AMD's reliability, performance, and vision. This broad coalition of partners and customers doesn't just boost AMD's credibility, it also spreads risk and creates a powerful network effect. The more organizations that rely on AMD, the more valuable and resilient its ecosystem becomes. Each new connection strengthens the web, making it harder for competitors to break in. As more developers, startups, and established companies choose to build on AMD's platform, the ecosystem grows richer and more dynamic. This isn't just about hardware, it's about creating a thriving community where innovation flourishes. Over time, AMD's platform becomes the default choice, setting industry standards and attracting even more talent and investment. AMD's ambitions don't stop at traditional markets. The company is making bold moves on the global stage, such as its $10 billion infrastructure partnership with Saudi Arabia's 𝗗𝗟𝗏. This isn't just a business deal, it's a strategic leap into new regions, helping to build the digital backbone of emerging economies and positioning AMD as a global technology leader. These are not incremental steps. Each initiative is a calculated strategic strike designed to expand AMD's reach, open new markets, and cement its leadership in the industry. By thinking big and acting boldly, AMD is shaping the future of technology on a global scale. The result? AMD is building a defensible moat around its business, a barrier that protects it from competitors and creates a virtuous cycle of growth. As the ecosystem strengthens, so does AMD's ability to innovate, attract partners, and deliver value to customers. The strategy is working. AMD's ecosystem is thriving, driving success across every segment and proving that the company's vision is more than just talk. It's a blueprint for industry leadership. In today's world, it's not enough to have the best chip. What truly matters is having the best platform, a complete interconnected ecosystem that empowers customers and partners to achieve more. That's the secret to winning not just today, but for the next decade and beyond. AMD's ecosystem isn't just unbeatable, it's the future. To understand AMD's surge, follow the money, straight to the data center. In Q1 2025, AMD's data center division posted $3.7 billion in revenue, up 57% year-over-year. Even with global headwinds, demand for EPYC server processors and Instinct AI accelerators is insatiable. Cloud giants are racing to build AI infrastructure and AMD's chips are at the heart of it. The data center is the new factory and AMD supplies the essential machinery. CEO Lisa Su predicts the AI accelerator market could hit $500 billion by 2028. Even a fraction of that is a game-changer for AMD's revenue. This segment provides high-margin, stable growth that powers the entire company. EPYC CPUs and Instinct accelerators are a one-two punch customers love. The data center is AMD's fortress, and its launchpad for future dominance. The opportunity here is just beginning. AMD's future pipeline has investors buzzing. The upcoming MI400 series of AI accelerators is expected to be a quantum leap in performance and efficiency. Alongside the Helios rack-scale system offers a fully integrated, easy-to-deploy AI infrastructure solution. By selling complete systems, AMD moves up the value chain and locks in future growth. Analysts predict these products could push AMD's earnings per share above $8 within 2 years. This product cycle gives investors a clear reason to believe in AMD's growth trajectory. AMD's relentless innovation, next-gen Zen CPUs, RDNA graphics, advanced chiplets, keeps it ahead of the curve. Lisa Su's engineering culture drives constant progress. AMD isn't resting, it's pushing boundaries and anticipating customer needs. This commitment to R&D ensures AMD stays at the forefront of semiconductors. The innovation engine is firing on all cylinders. AMD's rise begs the question, how do you find the next big winner? It's not about luck, it's about disciplined investing and learning from legends like Warren Buffett. That's why we created our Value Stocks investing course. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a comprehensive program to teach you the fundamentals of successful investing. Learn to read financial statements, analyze companies, and spot durable competitive advantages. Focus on the business, not the market noise. Our course empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Investing is a skill anyone can learn with the right framework. Take control of your financial future. Enroll today. The link is in the description. Build real lasting wealth with knowledge. At the end of the day, the numbers must back up the story, and AMD's do. Q1 2025 revenue $7.44 billion, up 35.9% year-over-year. This isn't accounting magic, it's surging demand and flawless execution. The stock trades at a forward PE of 32, reasonable given its growth. Price to sales is 7.5, still room for upside as earnings ramp up. Technically, AMD just broke above its 200-day moving average, a bullish signal. The relative strength index is high, suggesting a short-term pause could come, but the foundation is rock solid. Growth is real, valuation is justified, and technicals are strong. This trifecta, fundamentals, valuation, momentum, points to more upside. AMD's rally is built to last. With a market cap of over $232 billion, AMD is stepping into the AI spotlight, commanding attention from investors and analysts alike. In 2024, the company reported $25.79 billion in revenue and $1.64 billion in net income, and while its EPS sits at $1.38, its price-to-earnings ratio has climbed to 103.91, a sign of strong future expectations. Currently trading at $143.40, AMD's stock is still nearly 79% below its estimated fair value of $256.69 according to some analysts. That gap is raising eyebrows, especially as momentum builds behind the company's AI strategy. One of the key drivers behind the recent excitement is the validation AMD is receiving for its AI chip roadmap. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, publicly voiced confidence in AMD's new AI chips, particularly the MI300 series built on the innovative CDNA architecture. That endorsement was more than symbolic. It signaled a potential shift in the AI hardware narrative, which has long been dominated by NVIDIA. Some analysts now predict a 50% upside in AMD's stock value, fueled by the growing demand for high-performance compute solutions. Adding to the bullish sentiment is AMD's new strategic alliance with HCLTech. The two companies are collaborating to accelerate digital transformation across enterprise AI, cloud, and software solutions. This partnership could help AMD expand its reach into new commercial sectors, bringing its chips deeper into real-world applications like data centers, cloud computing, and advanced enterprise infrastructure. Analysts are also starting to revise their price targets upward. Reports with titles like, "Will AMD stock surprise everyone in 2025?" reflect a growing consensus that the company's position in the AI race may be underestimated. As AI-related demand surges, especially in chips designed for training and inference workloads, AMD's ability to deliver scalable alternatives to NVIDIA's dominance becomes a more compelling investment case. General market conditions are helping too. AI stocks broadly are on the upswing again as fears surrounding new entrants like DeepSeek begin to fade. With less perceived threat from Chinese startups, legacy players like AMD are reclaiming investor attention. CNBC's Jim Cramer even highlighted this renewed momentum, pointing to AMD as one of the prime beneficiaries of shifting Wall Street sentiment. What we're witnessing now is a convergence of product innovation, strategic collaboration, and market confidence. AMD's recent surge isn't just a short-term rally, it's the early stage of a potentially larger movement, driven by the company's focused push into AI, aggressive product rollouts, and increasing institutional backing. If current trends continue, AMD could be positioning itself as one of the most significant players in the next generation of AI-driven computing. AMD's rally is built to last, the bulls are in control. AMD's surge is also powered by favorable macro winds. A recent ceasefire between Israel and Iran eased global tensions, boosting growth stocks like AMD. The prospect of a Fed rate cut is pouring fuel on the tech rally, making future earnings more valuable. But risks remain. New U.S. tariffs or export restrictions could disrupt supply chains. AMD's resilience in the face of these challenges is impressive, but external risks can't be ignored. The semiconductor industry is in a secular bull market, projected to nearly double by 2028. Semiconductors are the backbone of global tech transformation. As an innovator with expanding market share, AMD is perfectly positioned to ride this wave. Macro tailwinds help, but AMD's fundamentals are what will carry it through turbulence. The industry's growth is unstoppable, and AMD is at the center. Stay alert but stay bullish. We've covered AMD's explosive performance, analyst upgrades, partnerships, and world-class tech. AMD has pulled off a historic turnaround and is now a pillar of the AI revolution. The company's future is tied to the world's insatiable demand for computing power. To capitalize, you need to stay ahead. Join our premium investing community for exclusive tips and research. Every investment carries risk, but AMD's long-term thesis is intact. The company is capturing data center share, growing its ecosystem, and executing flawlessly. How will you position yourself for the AI revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's AMD's biggest catalyst, MI400 partnerships, or AI growth? If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. If you found this video valuable, like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.